God, look at the state of this. Whoa, serious.
I remember the day we brought her home. So fast, so beautiful.
I remember the day you arrived here.
We thought it was a spaceship.
And now, just dust and memories.
The rust here is extensive.
It's crumbling right off the chassis. Look at the moss.
Yeah. Years of neglect. This is going to be a major restoration. God, look at the state of this.
Whoa, serious rust everywhere.
And moss deep inside. Wow. Look at the state of this.
Completely devoured.
Nothing left of the brakes. The rust is gone. The moss is gone. Look at that perfect reflection. It feels incredible.
The work here is complete.
Exceptional. Perfectly clean, not a mark left.